Hi, Winnie. Hi, Winnie. Oh, I'll get to you, Winnie, in a minute. Okay, Winnie, you can see the matching. Now we're twinning together. We're twinsies now. Oh, 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 the side hug. That's right. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Oh, oh. Now here comes a little. I don't know what to say, but let's just pose. Ready or not, here we come to pose. Oh, the side hug. You know, side hug like this. Okay. Okay, your turn, Winnie. Oh, your turn for the side hug like this. Oh, they're teasing. Thanks. Oh, the group hug. Oh. Okay. Oh. Well, what do you? Oh. Okay. I like the song. Come in. That was so much fun. And it's time for me to go home. I'm gonna miss you too. I know it's sad. It's sad to see each other go, but we'll see each other one of these days. That is, if you return for Christmas or more. I'm gonna go on a different adventures as long as Busbuster's not gonna get me. So I'm on a lookout. Yeah. So I'll be throughout my adventures for days until Christmas. I'll be fine right now. Group hug. I'm gonna miss you too. Have a good day. Goodbye, you two. I'll see you on Christmas or anytime. If I hear the announcement of your return here. I'll be waiting for the announcement and invitation. Bye. 1 second.